time to ride. Ride these bad bitches.
Those are nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
All right, what's up, boys and girls? As you can see, back on the Enduros, a little CRF 230, this time with Rye. Unfortunately, they only have 2 of them, so we had to leave Dave behind. He's probably just going to make some dragging passes or something, doing a little bit of bike maintenance when we left the house. We're squidding it up today. No full gear. Only gear we have is helmet and gloves. Oh, dude, it's like almost coming up.
Just so you guys know, these bikes have less than zero balls.
I think they're like 7 horsepower.
There's literally no pull on these things whatsoever.
Like 7 or 8 horsepower or something like that.
Something like this would be like a great starter bike for somebody.
Yeah.
This is definitely what I would recommend if someone were to like want to start getting on a motorcycle.
Yeah, like the seating position obviously is not aggressive whatsoever. Like,
and even if you do dump something like this, it's not gonna like severely damage the bike.
Yeah, that's a good thing about like dirt bikes. They're made to go down.
Yeah. My bike just died.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, I've got no gas, no throttle. That's I'm out of gas. Well, there's definitely a lot of gas in there.
This is the problem that Dave was having.
I literally lost throttle. Like I could downshift and everything, but there was no throttle. Just quit out on me. Come on, old girl. Filter staying fuel in it, I think. Oh, she's dry.
I wonder if that's it, dude.
It's not pumping gas through or something.
So if you are a subscriber on my channel and you caught some videos from my last Tennessee trip, my buddy Dave and I rented these things, and he was having some fuel issues.
Something's weird with my bike right now.
Uh-oh.
Dude, it's dying.
No way.
Yeah. Dude, I think I'm out of gas or something.
And Rye is on that bike that Dave had, and he's having those same issues.
No wonder why you wanted the other one. Well, hopefully that was the last of it. That's the worst thing that happened today. That'll be good. That's got a gate there. That's got a gate there. Does this have a gate? This doesn't have a gate.
All right.
That's it, huh?
That was fun. I mean, there's probably more that way, but it's all brush and shit. Ugh. Yeah, here we are. Okay.
That looks fucking disgusting, dude. Oh, man.
Oh,
I definitely ain't riding through that shit. Might be able to go down to the left. Or just bank it.
You're going right into that if you try to bank it.
I don't want to fucking slide into there.
Oh, my God.
Oh, God.
It's alright to get a little muddy.
I just don't want to fucking bury this thing, dude. You alright?
Oh, yeah, dude. Got a little bit of wet.
I knew if I tried to do that, my ass would have been in in that nasty ass fucking puddle, dude. End up with fucking malaria or something.
I didn't like mean to like. I meant to like trudge through it, but I didn't mean to like. I actually put my foot down in it a little bit. But I was just like, you know what, man? I'm just gonna fucking send it.
I wasn't expecting you to do that.
I sat there for a good minute contemplating if I was like, I'm just gonna fucking send it, dude. Fuck it. It's nice out. It'll dry off fast.
That's awesome.
Whoa.
Wow, dude. That soupy shit, these don't have knobbies on them, so they fucking...
Alright, I'm gonna go off to the right here, I think.
Wow. That shit throws your fucking tire. I almost hope we don't have to go back. Go back through that shit.
Oh, I stalled. At least I'm in a rut and not the fucking puddle.
These fucking have no traction in this mud, dude.
Oh, you're in a fucking rut now, too.
Oh, God.
Dave would be in fucking so much shit right now, dude.
Oh, my God. Tires are full of mud. They got no fucking traction, dude.
Oh, shit, I think this is where we... Woo! Yeah, this is like where we turned around. Did you get air?
Yeah, dude. I wish you were looking back for that.
Well, fucking do it again.
No, because I'll break my ankle. I guarantee it, dude. Trying to show off. Keep going, dude.
You want to try this?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll lead if you want me to. Whoa!
Don't pull your groin, dude. If you feel it fucking tipping, just fucking bail.
Yeah, right.
Are you sure, dude?
Yep. Going down, this is gonna be a peach.
Oh my God.
Oh God. Ah. It's like a fucking workout, dude.
Yes.
Oh God. Oh God.
You alright?
I'm good. I'm good. I was stuck on a rock. Oh God. Yeah, right. Oh God, don't do this. Not right here. Not right here, come on. Help me push this thing up, dude. I'm sick of fucking standing here. Good. Oh, it almost fucking started. I don't know how I'm gonna get around that fucking pond.
Oh God.
Got her. Got her.
Yes.
Whether it fucking stays or not. No. Come on, man. Tried to just go right through the mud there because I didn't want to waste any momentum.
Yeah. I'll keep on it. You're gonna get wet, dude, but I would just fucking power through that puddle.
No way.
What are you gonna do, dude?
I don't know. I'm not fucking going in that shit though.
Ready, dude?
No.
No, for me.
You're going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Soaked.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You got it.
I'm going, dude.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm not wasting any fucking time. Oh, we got a fucking truck right here. I can get by you. Thank you. Oh, where the fuck he thinks he's going? Oh, road, dude.
Back up the trailer now.
Yeah. I'm in gear, dude, and I have, like, no power. Now I have throttle with nothing in the gear, dude.
Where are you?
I didn't go up there, dude. I ain't get fucking stuck in there again. I've got nothing in the tranny, dude.
Show me what it's doing.
This is literally all it's got, dude.
Put her in second.
That's it. That's literally it.
Alright, you guys, we are fucking stuck on the side of the road here. Rye's bike is having all sorts of issues. So we called up PJ. He's the one that rented us the bikes. He's gonna come pick us up, or at least pick him up. Give him a ride back to the shop. I'm actually gonna go out to the main road, meet PJ out there, because we're on the back roads, back roads.
So that's gonna pretty much do it for our dual sport ride today, and you know, whatever. I'm not gonna let it ruin anything. You know, it's an adventure. It is unfortunate, but you know, such is life. So with all that being said, this is where today's video is gonna end. Not quite the way we wanted it to, but you know, life happens sometimes. But as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. For Ryeballs way back there, broken down, I am John.com, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Later.